Hey guys, how's it going today? Just checking some of the spark plugs. You know, really, if you looked at your car like you did your health, things probably would be a little bit better. So for instance, you know, if you're in this sports car here, if you're going to be running a race, then you want to make sure that the oil is good and clean and it's full. You know, you want to make sure that the spark plugs are not fouled and dirty. You want to make sure they're brand new. Same thing with the wires, the electricity that goes to the spark plugs. What about your air filter? What about your antifreeze? There's a lot of different things to check to make sure this is going to be running to its optimum. And whenever it is running at its optimum, it's getting better fuel mileage. It's got more horsepower, better performance. It's going to last longer. So what if you allowed the oil to get really dirty and you never changed it, you know, and then after a while, the oil level starts lowering a little bit. Well, you know, after it does that, then the rods are going to start knocking. And then what are you going to do? You know, I know you probably are going to go the cheap route and try to figure out, well, can I pour some oil honey in there to try to get that knocking to go away, or the rings to seat better because you've not taken care of those. What if the oil pan is leaking? You know, I don't want to really say too much about that. What if your body is leaking? You know, that's, but you want to fix those leaks. So you know, there's a lot of things. The electrical system in here, the coils, the spark plug wires, that's the electrical system. You can think of your body as that being the nervous system in your body. So you want to make sure everything is good to go. Everything is working like it should. So, you know, you could tape it, you could add little ingredients to it, but that's just patching it. You don't want to do that. So my whole point being is that if you're getting an adjustment, that stimulates the nervous system. So that's tuning things up. If you're eating the correct nutrition, taking certain supplements to improve certain things, you're keeping your body running at optimum. And when you're not, you're going to have brain fog. You're going to have numbness and tingling. You're not going to have the energy that you're wanting. Your hormones probably are off. So if you're feeling brain fog, low energy, the hormones just aren't working right, you're not quick thinking anymore, you're having a hard time sleeping, well, definitely call me, because like fixing this engine, you know, now, unfortunately, we can replace the parts in this, but we can't replace the parts in your body. Now, there is surgical procedures that they can do to kind of help a little bit, but you can't ever replace anything once you've lost it. So you don't want to get to that point, because you want a good long and quality of life, not a long life that has low quality, because that's just pure torture. So you don't want to you don't want to have a long one without good quality. So just like in this engine, if we take it running now, it's going to really perform good because everything is like it should. So that's what you want to do with your body too. But if you want to tune up your body like we do this car, then definitely call me and we'll get you in. I can do a lot of things other than just where do you hurt, lay down, adjust. So.